Hi, Brian McCullough from Bri-Tech, and here today to show you the Symbiant Quiet Drive automated interior door system. Interior pocket doors is what we're speaking of, and automating those to move them in and out seems like a logical thing, and why hasn't it been done before, and we've got it solved. One of the concerns about motorizing a door was motor noise, and the Symbiant system quiet drive system uses magnets, a maglev type technology that allows us to move the door back and forth without any noise whatsoever other than the rollers. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So this door will make no more noise than a standard pocket door. The advantage is with the use of a motion sensor or a photo beam, you'd be able to trigger the door to open automatically as you approach it. I'm using a switch today for demonstration, but we can hook up any type of trigger sensor in order for you to pass. This certainly be very helpful in handicap environments where somebody's bringing a wheelchair down, or for a high-end residence where you're just looking for a nice, clean aesthetic and finish. You don't have to go grab the latch. A regular swing door, of course, takes space. If it's a 3-foot door, it's going to take space on both sides, and you have to allow for that queuing. And high-end applications, especially where there's a high density of space, let's say bathrooms or rooms that are in multi-family dwellings where you've got tight space, the saving of the door swing is a nice benefit. The door is totally safe. The system is working on magnets that are only slightly more powerful than is needed to move the door. So if I stand in the front of the door as it's closing, it stops, and it's of no pressure. It would not in any way, shape, or form hurt anybody. I can push the door back out of my way. The advantage of that is that the door remembers that there was an obstruction there and pauses to make sure that it doesn't hit that obstruction at regular speed now that it knows it's there. And once the door is cycled a couple of times, it no longer sees the obstruction and will close normally. As you notice, it's a gradual close as it approaches. It gradually closes, would not pinch somebody's fingers, and wouldn't hurt anybody in any way. As far as construction is concerned, a standard opening is all that's needed. The only change here is that because it is an electrical device, there are wires and connections that need to be made, and they need to remain accessible. So this top few inches above here would need to be removable. The molding detail would have to come off so that we can access the motors. Other than that, you can treat this as a standard pocket door. And these will be available from Riley Woodworks and Bri-Tech shortly. And contact our office for more information.